Alright guys, today we are shooting this beautiful classic Ferrari. We're shooting on the 1DX Mark II, and then we're shooting on the nifty 50 lens, which is about $160 right now if you buy it on Amazon. Because I don't have a filter, I'm using this filter for my 50mm for this guy, just manually doing it. Basically, if you look at this setup, it's about $1,300 for this whole setup. This camera, brand new, when I bought it was $6,000, and now it's down to like $1,200, which kills my soul a little bit, but it's still a great camera.
Yeah, shit.
I'd mess with you. I'd mess with you. Yeah, if you. That's how I actually shift, like down, is like that.
That makes sense.
Yeah, push there. That's interesting. Sorry, Logan, if I've been your call.
No, you're good. I'm working around you. This thing is so cool. It's so cool seeing the Pininfarina badge on it too.
I know. I hate that they don't do that.
Yeah.
It's like you're sitting on the back. What does it?
I feel like the 355 flashes a bit. Maybe I'm just a 348 on it.
Yeah, definitely drop this for you to do the first service ever. And
Yeah.
pass that on to the next person.
Yeah. There's always another car that I'm like, oh, that'd be so sick. Because I have it in the garage too.
Chase, do you want to sit on that fender just looking out?
This side?
Yeah.
I just love this on or off?
Yeah, that's fine. Yep, just chilling.
That's the other problem. They did get like the round tail lights. That's the dream. Italy Trap, hit Lamborghini, hit Ferrari, drop down, structure. To the left, yeah.
Slowly pull them down a little bit.
Need to do some stuff with it. CPO, ND?
CPL. It's good. I'm using my nifty 50 just to just for fun.
Yeah, why not?
So I don't have a filter that fits
I need
it.
to buy a new
Watches, but I'd like one that's just like a legit.
They come out purple.
Mustang's
The lens that you should get for your R5 when it's fixed,
Uh-huh.
that Canon came out with recently, they made a 45-1.2 non-L lens. Costs $450.
Ooh.
And it's a 1.2 aperture 45.
45.
I just ordered it.
Find a way. All right.
Same car, same car. They had updated it already, but not on yet. Oh.
It would be cool to get those.
That's what I was thinking. It'd be cool to get them all together.
Yeah.
Is his the red like dark red? It's like a rose color.
35 is one of the best ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, sold out this morning.
Oh, you got it sold then?
Yeah, I sold this morning.
You gotta get a buyer when you got a buyer.
That was kind of more of a thing.
Yeah, hard to. If someone wants it, someone will like it. Exactly. How do you want me to just same as this? Just yeah. Let's do that for Jeff.
This looks like a Ferrari commercial. But it gets the job done, so I'll take it.
Oh,
Woo! Yeah, I can see why you wouldn't want to keep it for
yeah, it's fun. Like, it's a car.
a good like step into trade.
Okay, yeah, that's what's up, dude. 22. Okay, we're the same age then.
Yeah, this is sick. Yeah,
This one is crazy.
Yeah,
No,
well,
I live here. I live here.
Yeah. No, he just.
And it got worse. Like, this
Oh, okay.
Where is it? Do you go through the?
Just go around these RVs, and then it's this whole separate road that just puts you by that table right there.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, it's a whole separate island, like
Oh, wow.
road. But then we could do like single shots on that edge.
Yeah, especially with this, we'll get the Alpine glow too.
Oh, goodness.
Bless you. Damn. These guys are crazy. He's too tall. Nice, nice.
Like you.
Oh,
Sorry. Yeah, and you, I love the headlights.